everybody, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can easily get the perfect gel manicure at home that doesn't involve a UV light, doesn't cost a ton, and is quick and easy to do. I recently got a bunch of the nail stickers from Dashing Divas, so I figured I would come on here and tell you guys a little bit more about them and show you how to get the perfect manicure from your house, especially right now with the pandemic. I know that in my area, a lot of the nail salons are still closed, so this is an easy way you can do it at home. And as always, all the products mentioned in this video will be listed down below in case you are interested in purchasing any of them. So without further ado, let's get started. Before I show you guys the actual sets that I got and then how to do the manicure, I wanted to tell you guys a little bit more about Dashing Diva. First off, I absolutely love the fact that these are essentially nail stickers. They are so easy to use and so easy to apply. What's really nice is that they have an ultra gel shine. You do not have to use a UV light to remove them. You don't have to sit there and soak them. They are chip resistant. These stickers are wrinkle free, and the nail strips won't dry out. As for each pack of colors, each one comes with 32 nails in a variety of different sizes. For the packs that have multiple colors, it comes with 22 of the base color, along with 12 extra strips that are meant to be used as accent nails. And the best part about all of this is it is a gel manicure that will last you up to 14 days. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and show you the 4 ones that I got. The first one is Harbor Mist, and it is this beautiful periwinkle color. I also have Iced Mint, which is a little lighter than a Tiffany blue color. I have Poppy Power, which is a reddish orange color that is a really fun summer one. And I also got Boss Lady, which is one of the ones that comes with accent nails. And for today's manicure, I decided to go with Boss Lady set. Like I said in the beginning, it is super easy to do this manicure. Please ignore the way my nails and hands look. I know they look awful. I am a huge skin picker. First, I'm gonna go through and figure out which size sticker is going to go on each of my nails, and I am gonna go ahead and cut them out and line them up. Once I have figured out all these sizes for both hands, I'm gonna go ahead and take the prep pad and wipe off all of my nails really well. This just helps to get any dirt, oil, cream, and anything like that off of your hands, and they do recommend not using any types of lotion or oils an hour before you're going to do this. And now I am ready to apply them, and applying them is super duper easy. You literally peel the back off and place it as best as you can onto your nail. And once it is on your nail, you're just gonna go ahead and file down the edges to remove any excess material, and it's as easy as that. This is how my nails turned out. I absolutely love them, and I love that I was able to achieve a flawless gel manicure from the comfort of my own home that didn't take a bunch of work to do and didn't cost a ton. So that is how you can easily achieve the perfect gel manicure right from your house. It is easy and inexpensive to do. I absolutely love the way my nails come out and love the various colors that Dashing Divas has to offer. Their website has a ton of different single packs as well as various kits. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I upload new videos regularly and would love it if you'd become part of our little family. Also, be sure to hit the bell so that you are in fact notified every time I do upload a new video. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!